You want to know how to wire an aftermarket stereo into your Mazda Miata? Really easy. Buy yourself a Metra OEM connector 70-7901. You can follow the wiring diagrams from your head unit to your Metra, but most times they match right up. This one, red ignition, yellow battery, black ground, all these things match up. So you just wire them together. This one's pretty easy. We're only going to use one of the connectors because we are not going to use the speakers and the headrests. So it's just going to be the front two door speakers. This is for the right rear and left rear. Super easy. You got your battery with your inline fuse, your ignition switch, turn the radio on and off. Metra doesn't come with a direct ground, so you have to do a chassis ground on this. And then you just got your front left speaker and front right speaker. Solids are going to be positive, striped are going to be negative.